How to make money from home. 30 easy ideas to start today. Clear out your clutter and make some cash by selling your old stuff online. Turn your passion for DIY into a profitable venture by refurbishing and reselling home goods and furnishings. Get creative and turn your hobbies into a money-making opportunity by making and selling crafts. If you have sewing skills, offer your services for alterations, repairs, and upholstery. If you have an eye for photography, sell your stock photos online and earn passive income. Set up an online store without the hassle of inventory by starting a dropshipping business. Put your artistic skills to use by creating designs for print-on-demand products and earn royalties. If you have a great voice, offer your services for voiceover work and make money from home. Share your knowledge and passion by starting a blog, vlog, or podcast and monetize it through ads and sponsorships. Build a following on social media and collaborate with brands to earn money as an influencer. If you're social media savvy, offer your services to manage someone else's social media accounts. Invest in domain names and sell them for a profit.